So with our 18-volt awning, let's go ahead and talk about operation, fabric care, and general maintenance. So operation, down here on your drive side, you got this switch. This switch up is going to go ahead and retract, and then down will actually extend it back out. Now on a full charge, the battery will get about 22 to 25 full extensions and full retractions. All right, so when you're bringing it in, just hang on to that switch. Now because this switch is down here, just pay attention to where you have your hand. Don't have your hand wrapped around the arm like this, otherwise you're going to end up pinching your hand. All right, so keep your hands on the outside here. You can go ahead and extend or retract that awning safely.
Next, we're going to choose the side that we want to establish pitch. Pitch can be set by adjusting our pitch arm on our awning assembly to tip our awning for optimal water runoff. If the pitch of the awning is not set and a significant amount of water, snow, or debris accumulates on top of the awning fabric, the awning may pitch itself to purge the excess water. The awning can pitch itself and dump a significant amount of water or snow, and it can do this without notice. In the event water has pooled on top of your awning fabric, you will need to remove the excess water prior to manually adjusting the pitch of your awning. Before manually adjusting the pitch of your awning, you'll want to make sure that you remove any excess water, snow, or debris on top of your awning fabric. You can do this by using a long-handled tool like a broom to push up on the fabric of your awning and remove any pooling water or debris. Now that we've removed the excess water, snow, or debris from on top of our awning fabric, we can manually and safely set the pitch of our awning. And we're going to do this on the side furthest away from our entry door. The pitch arm is designed to hold the set position by the operator. An operator can also reset the pitch of the awning by manually pushing up on the Solera pitch arm. But if you are doing this, do not overextend it past the straight line because this can add excess tension to the gas strut and cause that strut to break. The pitch arm will also be reset when you are retracting your awning.
The other part to making sure that battery up there in your drive arm is fully charged is this charger that's supplied with the awning. Now this guy here plugs into a standard 120 outlet. I have this extension cord right here. Now you can see that it's not currently plugged into the awning, but if we plug it in, that light turns green, okay? So that light turns green even though it's not plugged in. So it's important that you have this plug fully seated on the bottom of your awning arm. Otherwise, it'll kind of trick you and you might think that the awning's fully charged, but in reality, it's actually not. But once you have this fully seated, it turns red and lets you know it's charging. Once the awning's fully charged, that light will turn green, letting you know that that battery is fully charged, fully operational, and you should get that 22 to 25 full extensions or full retractions, all right? Other than that, once it's charged up, usually takes about 24 hours to get a fully charged state. So if that awning's fully drained, it'll take about 24 hours to fully charge. But once it's fully charged up, you can go ahead and unplug this and then store it in a drawer or wherever you need to inside that coach. Other than that, this will keep that battery going. And if you need to replace that battery, let's say it's no longer taking a charge for whatever reason, that battery is replaceable. On every Solera awning, you do have that manual override cap right here, this little rubber cover right here. You pull that off, and that'll give you access to the 7/16 manual override nut on the end of this motor. So in the event, let's say the motor just stops working, you know you're fully charged in this case, but the motor just won't engage. You can go ahead and pull that rubber cap off the end of that motor, take your cordless drill, no impact, and then go ahead and retract that awning as needed. And then once it's in for service, they can use that same manual override nut to go ahead and extend that awning out to gain access to the motor or wires or whatever the case may be. So you do have that in the event that the motor or maybe the battery won't take a charge, or maybe there's a pinched wire or something in that regard. But that'll give you access to get going, that way you're not stuck.